Okay.
was the probability of how many different combinations of a 5-handed poker set.
That's very funny,
Wow.
because I'm doing that with you, in about a week and a half.
Great.
We're doing permutations and combinations, and I'm gonna do poker hands with you guys.
Well, we know the final answer of how many possible combinations there are.
Lots.
2,700,000.
What was it?
2,600,000.
Mhm.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was my guess, but I decided to like break it out into.
We spent 15 minutes.
Is it just how many possibilities there are of poker hands, not what a certain probability would be of a single one?
It's
Yeah.
just like a possibility.
No.
Like how many poker hands you can have, different combinations. And we kept doing 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 times 48, but we were doing it long.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
It was not like it. It's just gut choice.
But it's also a permutation. So, like, the 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 times 48 wouldn't work, because that would imply, like, let's suppose that you got a royal flush, which is the best thing you can get in poker, which is like a 10, is it 9? 9, 10, jack, no, 10, jack, queen, king, ace of one suit. It's like all hearts, right? But it's not like when you pick them up, you have to keep them in order. Do you see what I mean? You can rearrange them in your hand. So it's not like if you got a royal flush and you were like, man, if only I hadn't drawn the jack first. That sucks. I wish I could just switch these two cards in my hand. Yes, you can. So, yeah. So permutation doesn't matter in that sense. We'll talk about permutations and combinations next week. Permutation means that order matters, and combination means order doesn't. It just matters what you get. So it's a combination.
Oh, yeah.
So it would be 52, choose 5. I got 2,598,960. Correct?
Pretty close.
It's pretty close. I mean, just spitballing here.
That's exactly what the answer is.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the only way, you weren't allowed calculators?
No.
No, this is like by hand.
So the only way you can figure that out without a calculator is if you, which again, we'll get into next week, but a combination, essentially, if I do 52, choose 5, that would be a 52 factorial divided by, it wouldn't be divided by both. Is it just divided by 48 factorial and 5 factorial? So it'd be 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 times 48, but then you also need to divide by 5 factorial, which is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. I just don't know how you could do this quickly. You could do, I guess, this is what, 10? This one can be knocked down to 12. And that one can be knocked down to 26. Any of them divisible by 3? This one is. This would be 17. So I guess if you could quickly multiply 26 times 17. How long do you have for this question?
This was like we had like, what was it, 60 problems? And it was
Yeah.
like 45 minutes, so we had extra time.
Yeah, so if you could have multiplied 26 times 17 times 10 times 49 times 12, it would have gotten you exactly the right answer. I should have been on your team. The only, and then they would have been like, what baseball player has, and I would have been like, oh, no, I'm out for all the rest of the questions, sorry. What part of speech Actually, I might be able to get part of speech. Okay. I got excited about your math. Okay, so I got 0.149 on the first one and 0.91 on the second one. Did you guys get the same thing?
Yep.
Jessica, your face says no.
We had 90.9, so we didn't round up on one.
Okay. Do you guys want to come up here and show your work and get a prize? Or you want me to just do it quickly and us move on?
I mean, I'll go with that.
You'll go for a prize. There's Play-Doh today. Significant, guys. All right. How about, do you guys want to go up for a prize too?
For a prize?
Jessica? Noah?
Sure.
Jessica? Okay, let's have you two do C and they're gonna do D.
Yeah. Did you want to? So,
Okay, so
starting off with C, we have 3 spaces written, 2 plus and 1 minus. But we know that since it's 2 different types of blood, there wouldn't be overlap, so we know it's just -0 for that one. And then we can figure out that C, there's B has a total of 45 out of 409 on the table, and then AB only has a total of 16 out of 409 in the table. And if you add them up and divide, you should get 0.149.
Beautiful, miraculous, grab a prize. Oh, I'll get the animals out for you, sorry. Very sorry, Jessica, Noah. What is today, Tropical Tuesday?
wow, this is fancy.
Okay. All right, go for it.
So 184 out of 409 people have type O blood. And then of of all the people with blood, their
Of all the people that have blood.
their RH factors are 344 are positive out of 409. So then of that, there's
Say it again for me.
344 out of 409 have positive. And then the overlap there would be 156 people with type O blood have positive. And then that came out to 372 409s, which equals 90.9%.
Beautiful. Nice job. Well done, well done, well done. Grab a prize. Play-Doh though, there's gold Play-Doh.
Oh wait, there's gold plate. Ooh. Is this the gold? No, that's not.
Isn't that gold?
I'm severely colorblind, that's
It looks like, I thought it looked gold. Oh, okay, here's your homework assignment down here. I'd like you guys to have this done for Thursday. Yeah, I gotta know too.
Wait.
Yeah, I'd say gold.